Understanding hard disk drives, HDDs in 90 seconds. Hey tech lovers, today we're breaking down hard disk drives or HDDs in just 90 seconds. Let's get started. So, what is an HDD? It's a data storage device that uses magnetic storage to store and retrieve digital information. Inside an HDD, you'll find spinning platters coated with a magnetic material and read-write heads that move across these platters. When you save data, the read-write heads magnetically encode it onto the spinning platters. When you access data, the heads read the magnetic patterns to retrieve it. The key components of an HDD include the platters, the read-write heads, and the actuator arm that moves the heads. The platters spin at high speeds, typically between 5,400 and 7,200 RPM, and the read-write heads float just above the surface without touching it. So why use an HDD? They're cost-effective and offer large storage capacities, making them great for storing lots of data. While SSDs are faster, HDDs are still popular for their value, especially in desktops, servers, and for backup storage. However, HDDs have moving parts, which means they're more prone to wear and tear and generally slower than SSDs. Despite these limitations, HDDs remain a reliable and economical choice for many users. And that's a quick look at HDDs. If you found this helpful, give us a thumbs up, share, and subscribe for more tech tips.